closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
We know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me.
Yeah, that was sick.
When you're not strong.
And that's when you find the hero champion soldier inside yourself. Go be a winner, everybody. Like EZCubing. He 10 seconds on the Rubik's Cube. That's a genius right there. You already know it.
Thank you.
If I have things you need to borrow,
Yo, when you did that,
no one can be those of your
that's when you lost
needs.
me. Oh man, dope.
When I was in high school, that's all we used to do, just solve Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
I have friends that solve like 3x3s, 4x4s, 2x2s, stuff like that.
Alright, I want to see this.
There you go.
That's crazy.
Once you learn the algorithm, it's very simple to do it.
It's honestly not that hard to like.
Oh, yeah, that was sick.
Give a shout out on that video if you want.
Yeah, shout out to Swano Superjar, man. I mean, Times Square, holla at me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You got time in it? Is someone timing it?
Yeah, I know. Okay, go.
Hey, listen, man. First of all, I want to shout this brother out, EZCubing. I like him a lot. He got a good personality.
Thank you.
He's really cool.
Thank
I
you.
just met him right now, but he's good at what he do, and he got a good heart. And everybody with him is cool. Yeah, I don't see them people, but the people in the background showing love too. So that's what's up. They give me a little light. I'm just humble old Sean Nix out here with his music. This is one on the house to the brothers. They showing us love. Heroes, champions, and soldiers. So what I want you to do is find a hero, champion, and soldier in yourself. And you can do that when you have faith in a higher power. We're not even going to give a name of a religion or nothing like that. Any higher power, so we're all in the same universe. So have faith in a higher power and never give up. And that's when you find a hero, champion, and soldier inside yourself. Go be a winner, everybody, like EZCubing. He 10 seconds on the Rubik's Cube. That's a genius right there. You already know what it is.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Whatever. Okay.
That's good?
Yeah, see? Mix it up. Now we'll see what he's gonna do right now. You're gonna put a time right now?
Yeah, I'm gonna time it for you. There.
For this guy?
Yes, sir.
My friend? You gotta wait. You gotta
Are you ready?
wait.
Yep, ready?
To get the camera.
Let's get him.
Oh my god.
Is that what, like 30 seconds or 40 seconds?
15!
Wow.
It's a record, guys. Guys, believe me, you have to subscribe his channel. It's the best. New York City with you, buddy. Nice. I like it. 15 seconds. That's good.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Much better now. We ate food, guys. We're up at Princeton University out here.
EZCubing?
Yeah.
Yo, EZCubing. Shout out to EZCubing, man. CBM, the Mafia, man. Google it. BBOY 375 on YouTube, man. We the new movement. We don't want no deal. We independent, and we moving how the movers move and shaking how the shakers shake, making what the makers make, taking what the takers take. Huh? C-boy, whatever you need, C-boy, huh? Gotcha. That's my drill.
Right on the road, I'll share your load. If you just call me, when you need a friend, call me now, call me, when you need a friend, call me. Thank you guys, God bless you, have a wonderful day. If you ever need something to lean on to, just remember God is always there for you. God bless you all guys. And I'm going to be singing in Brazil on the 25th of this month. And on the 26th. And I'll be singing second round of the America's Got Talent very soon. Watch me on Instagram, NIYIFOT. God bless you all guys. Thank you so much.